Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been forever. Like I'm posting videos, but the videos that have been uploaded recently are a few weeks old because I'm playing catch up, okay? We're getting back to a routine. We're getting back to our schedule, posting schedule, all of that. So yeah, this is gonna be the first haul of many. I have a lot of hauls coming, especially because we're getting into the holiday season. You know, you got Black Friday coming up, you got Christmas coming up. So whether you wanna get gifts for yourself or gifts for anyone else, I got you. We got us a little sponsor today. Thank you so much, Adore Me, for sponsoring today's video. Never heard of Adore Me. It is a New York-based women's intimates brand. It's intimates made by women for women. And you know me, everything I do is for the ladies, okay? Women supporting women, that's all I care about. And so starting off, we have this cute little set. It is called the Rosa Unlined set. It's like a very light peachy color, but it's absolutely beautiful. This is probably one of my favorite ones in this set. Now, I want to mention something about the bottoms. So with all of their bra panty sets, you can decide on what type of bottoms you want. So if you are a G-string thong kind of girl, they have those. They have bikini, which is, this is the bikini cut. And they have hipsters, they have cheeky, all of that. So they have different types of bottoms. So you can figure out how much coverage you want or how much skin you want to show. So with the top, I got a 34D and the bottoms, I got medium. So that's my size range pretty much across the board. Look how cute this is. It's giving me very like halter style top, and then it's very much mesh, very much see-through as most of these are. So I'm gonna show you what I can without getting demonetized, okay? No, it's an underwire bra. I feel like it wasn't digging into my skin at all because, you know, underwire can get very uncomfortable. Okay, so this is actually the other one that I got. Exact same style, but in like this maroon color. I got bikini bottoms in both of them, so they're exactly the same. You got the little nice detail in the front with like little cheeky bottoms. So it gives me a good amount of coverage, but you know, still got a little cheek hanging out on each side. You absolutely love this. Love the color. This is very, very much fall. This is going out date night with babe. Pop this under a cute little black dress. I love it. I'm sticking with the little maroon color theme we got going on. So this one is Diara Contour, and I actually got the bottom in Hipster. So Hipster gives you full coverage. Obviously it's mesh, still see-through, but your whole bottom is covered, okay? Got all like this little lacy detail with a little peekaboo right here on the front. Still super stretchy. With this one, I could have gone up to a 36D and it would have fit me better because I got a little bit of, you know, a little fat popping up on the top. And, you know, I just like how well my boobs are looking in it. And then with this top, it is double lined, so you got this like very, it's not padded, but you got this very thin liner right in here, nice comfy stretchy liner, and then you have your mesh fabric that kind of chills on top. How long the front is. I love like a little long line type bra. So this one you could for sure wear out if you want to pop in some jeans and a blazer on top. The Jana Push Up. So this is a push-up bra. There's just like a little bit of padding in here. Has the girl sitting up nicely. Very comfortable. Like these cups just fit me perfectly. So if you ever try to Adore Me, let me know your thoughts down below and how everything fit you, because it's rare to order something for the first time and all of your sizing is perfect. Like that is very rare. I actually got this one in Thong. So here is the Thong bottoms. Show you the back. It's so cute. Okay, so one, we got the little lacy detail here in the front, but then the sides are like this double lined mesh on the side, and it's so stretchy. You know, sometimes mesh be like stiff. Honestly, me, even at my size, getting in a medium, I got this in a small, I still would have been totally fine. So just keep that in mind when ordering. If you're smaller on the bottom half, I would definitely order down because this stuff just has like amazing stretch. But medium, totally fine. I would not change the size that I am in, but I'm saying that option, if I wanted to size down, I could. I was in desperate need of some cute little sets, so perfect timing, honey. I have this one. She actually buttons in the front, or snaps in the front. Right in the front like that. I love a bra like that, okay? Love a bra like that. Anais Contour? I don't know, something like that. But it's like a silk or satin type feel. Hipster bottoms. We got the little lace detail around the bottom. So this is definitely what I would kind of wear around the house with my like little nice warm robe. I like feeling all girly and cute. You know, I wear a lot of fitness stuff all day, every day. And at least having a cute little matching bra and panty set, if I'm not going out, if I'm not getting dressed up, at least I feel good about that. All right, moving along. Now this is probably for sure, this is like an everyday set for me. Celestine Unlined, nude, super comfortable. It is an underwire, but it's not lined. Super stretchy, form-fitting, fits right around the boobs. It's like your boobs are sitting in a little sack. Now this one is completely mesh, completely see-through, so sorry I had to blur her out. It's like a great nude color to wear under clothes. One, if you don't want your undies popping out, right? Some bright colors or patterns you can see right through. I'm gonna definitely order more sets like this one specifically because these will for sure be like my everyday. I don't go for the extra push-up. This is just like right up my alley. Type of bras I like to wear on a regular when I am wearing one. Floretta Unlined, another unlined top. One actually doesn't have any types of hooks or straps at all. This one you just pop right over, just like if you're wearing like a little tank or something, or a little crop. So this is very much a super comfortable to just wear all day throughout the house. You can just, I just wear this under like a t-shirt or something. Same with the undies. I got, oh, these ones I got the cheeky. So this is what the cheeky one looks like. We got the cute little lace along the bottom, but then it's ribbed in the middle. And here's the front, a nice little cotton set. I would probably wear this to bed if I'm not sleeping naked, you know. No one wants to be in like a wire bra to go to bed, okay? This is what I would wear to bed right here. All right, so we got the Amaris Unlined. So this is the exact same print as the first two bra and panty sets that I showed you. This is actually the same as that color and print as the second one. Deep little maroon color with the little flower details on the front. Back, it's like a corset type top. So this buttons all the way up the back. Then we got the G-string. We ain't got the thong, we got this G-string. So it ain't no coverage back here, okay? No coverage. Little detail even along the sides. Put on something nice for your partner or for yourself, because ain't nothing wrong with getting cute and wearing nice little lingerie to feel good. You know, sip on a glass of wine, watch a nice show, read a little book. Whatever it is that you want to do, there's nothing wrong with putting on something nice and sexy for yourself, okay? If I wanted to, I can get like the little stockings and stuff and clip those on. And then it wouldn't be me. It would not be me if I didn't get something black. Come on now. Come on now. At least one. This one actually only has like one strap in the back, just like a bra. So you just hook it in the back, but I just kind of slid it over. Lynn Unlined have like the leopard print there. Then we got the lace here. Like, it's so cute. It's an underwire. Then we got the little strap across the middle. So there's just a lot going on with this. And the same thing with the bottoms. So if you want to get like the little stockings and stuff like that, you can hook them on. G-string bottom, because if I'm wearing a lingerie, if I'm wearing a corset top, I am wearing a G-string bottom. Like, what? You're showing it all. We're showing it all. And then this one only has like just the lace detailing in the front with the cotton lined right in here. Right, last but not least, let me show you a couple of little nighty little pieces. We got the Luana, and this is a size, oh, I got it in a size large, but I actually should have got it in a medium. I like the little loose, little silk type tops, right? I wanted to drape nice and loose in the front, which the top is, but because I ordered this in a large, it came in the set, the bottoms are large too. It would be great if I got the top in a large and the bottoms in a medium, because these were a little bit too big. I am a high waist everything. I like to pull everything up to my belly button. So with these ones, I can't do that. So it's just gonna sit at my hip, which is totally fine, because one, I'm gonna be wearing this to bed anyway. But look how beautiful this color is. Like, I hope this is picking up on camera. Bottoms, look at how cute and like frilly. I am a tomboy all the way, but the girly girl in me is living for these cute little bottoms, and my little cheeks was popping out the bottom as well. And just super free and airy just to wear to bed. This is another way to be like cute, like, and feel good going to bed without having to wear like a bra and panty set. Like if you want to be a little bit more comfortable, then this is just definitely a great option. We got the like little lace at the top, but it's just like a nice little free flowy little set, and I absolutely love it. We have a cute little, I don't know if I necessarily would wear this to bed, but I would wear this out. Biker shorts gal for sure. So we just got this cute little matching set. This Jana Unlined. So I thought I was ordering a panty set when I ordered the shorties. Here's this cute little top here. This is actually an adjustable straps and stuff, but you can unhook it and crisscross them as well if you wanted to. Super stretchy, nice double lines. You see it's ribbed material, and then she comes with matching biker shorts. Now you know I'm gonna get a lot of wear at this throughout the house, okay? Ordered shorties. I think I was thinking short shorts, because it says shorty on there. I thought I was getting short shorts, but I actually got biker shorts. So for some reason, they'll be tight at the bottom, and there's just too much room going on at the top. But this one hugged me very, very well. The bottoms do not dig in my thighs uncomfortably, because that happens too. Lavender color, so love that. Finishing off this haul, we're gonna finish with the piece that I'm wearing, the Leelee in a size medium. I loved it so much I left it on. It's just a matching tank top with some little joggers. Now these are on the thin side, not thin to where they're see-through, but more so like that comfortable, like nice stretchy, loose, breathable material. Pretty sure it's made to where you can sleep in. I can go out and run errands in this if I want to, but I've been wearing it all day. This is my style, especially when it comes to working from home and just wanting to look somewhat put together. This is the kind of outfit that I would go for. But yeah, and it got pockets. Girl got pockets. Thank you so much for tuning in if you made it through this video. Again, thank you Adore Me for sponsoring today's video. Everything will be listed down below. My sizing, recommendations for a couple of them that I would have switched sizes on. This is just one of very many hauls coming your way, okay? This is perfect holiday season. Gonna shop from some nice little pieces for yourself. Looking for a Christmas gift for someone. These are great options, and I'm sure there's gonna be so many deals coming up, because you know Black Friday, right before Christmas, all of the deals are coming. I've been shooting so many vlogs. I feel like I haven't said this in a while. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Hit that bell so you know when I'm posting. And of course, do not forget to subscribe.